Pandas between underscore time Boolean. I'm trying to create a column that will assign true if row value falls between the times 9 o'clock and 1700 hours. I can select those times easily enough using between underscore time, but can't assign a new column a true, false. This statement selects the appropriate rows, but I can't assign a true-false value to them. I've been trying to use np.where. Except that np.where only works on Boolean expressions. I've used it like this, but only gotten false returns because a value can't be greater than 17 and less than 9 at the same time. I'm missing a relatively easy step and can't figure it out. Help!
You could do something like the following. Because the between method returns a data frame, rather than a Boolean array we can call .index on it as we could with any data frame. This will return a series of times. We can then check whether or not our original time indices are in our time indices resulting from the between method. This will give you a Boolean array of values that are within your time frame. I can't think of another way to do this, but that doesn't mean there isn't one.
If what you put is in the and topic